You guys, I have done so much worse than this. Yo, what up, peeps? It's your girl, Melanie. If you've ever watched any of my previous videos, you know by now that I'm a 40-something who hates my skin. I am always on the lookout for the latest and greatest and most unusual but cheap products on the market to help you fight the good fight along with me. Aside from the wrinkles, fine lines, and discoloration on my skin, I also have pores the size of golf balls, and I hate them so much. We are talking about these big old holes on my face that looks like the surface of the moon. But they look even worse when they're filled with grease, dirt, oil, and other shit. So that's why today I'm gonna try out this Lanbena Green Tea Blackhead Removing Kit. So let's see what you get inside this kit. So here you have a little blackhead remover mask, and here you have a pore minimizing serum. And they also included this pack of papers, which kind of looks like a little memo pad. I do declare I must get rid of these blackheads before an astronaut puts a flag on my face. So I'm gonna try out this kit in front of you, and we're gonna see if we can remove this gunk from these holes in my face. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get this annoying hair out of my face. And I have these little like Velcro thingies, and I just discovered that this is how they work. Next thing I'm gonna do is clean the area of my skin that I'm gonna be working on, which is gonna be my nose and the bridge of my nose. So normally you would want to wash your face, but I'm actually going to use micellar water. Ideally, the best time to do this would be after a shower, after your skin has been exposed to steam to open up your pores. But I'm actually going to get all bougie and use this little Vicks personal steam inhaler machine that I have. And I've had it for years, and it works great when your nose is all stuffy. But it's a perfect little portable steamer. Oh, and it's dripping everywhere. Oh shit. So I'm gonna steam my face for a few minutes and try to open up my pores even more than they already are. I really hope this doesn't melt off my eyelashes. Alright, so by now my pores should be huge, and I really hope this doesn't affect those of you who get freaked out by holes. But anyway, let's start using this product. Let's start with the Lanbena Blackhead Remover Mask. Woo woo woo! And it looks like a nail polish brush. Now I'm going to put it all over my nose. Everywhere that I have huge pores on my face, which is pretty much everywhere, but I'm just gonna focus on my nose right now. It's very light. It doesn't even smell that much, but while this stuff is really wet, we're gonna get one of our little pieces of paper here and smush it. Smush it on my nose. Get it while it's wet. Oh, and I still have more here. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take one more piece and I'm gonna rip it and put it on the other spots on my face. Yeah, the stuff is kind of sticky. It's just kind of like tissue paper, like the kind of tissue paper that you put with a gift when you're wrapping a gift. That's kind of what it feels like. And we're gonna let it sit there for a few minutes until it dries. And then we're going to remove the paper and see if magic happens. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. By now, this stuff should be dry. And let's remove and see what happens. Whee! There's one. Oh, ow, oh yeah, ah! I think I might sneeze. That's paper number 2. Here comes the big one. You guys, I have done so much worse than this, so this should be nothing Oh yeah. Do you guys see the little like stalks? They're like tree stalks kind of. Look at all that junk. You can really see all the stuff. Now the skin around my nose feels kind of dry and tight. Let's look at it now. But that is so crazy. All the stuff that came out of my nose, that is like cool and kind of sick. And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of liked it. Now let's move on to step 2. This is the pore minimizing serum. And let's check this one out. I'm gonna squeeze my tube and see if I can get a nice amount. It has a very light scent. It's not awful. It smells a little chemically, but it definitely doesn't smell like green tea, which is supposedly in this product. But all right, let's go ahead and drop a couple of these things on my nose. Let's get up close and take a little peeky peek. I'm not sure. Do you guys see a difference? I don't know. I feel like it did a good job of getting rid of the crap that was inside of my pores. As far as tightening up my pores and closing up my pores, well, so far I haven't done anything to do that. Fortunately, a little makeup will take care of that part, or at least make them a little less obvious. It feels a little bit tacky, a little bit sticky on my skin. So, you know, I'm not mad at it. Is it a perfect product? No, but it is a lot of fun to use. And it was super easy, and I really did enjoy seeing all this shit come out of my nose. Let me get this out of my hair. The longer it's drying, the less sticky it is. It was a really interesting technique, and I really enjoyed using it. So until I find the next amazing product, I'm gonna continue to use it. And if you're interested in trying out the Lanbena Green Tea Blackhead Remover Kit, I will put a link down in the comments below so you can check it out for yourself. If you found a product to help get rid of the giant pores on your face, I want to hear about it. Leave me a comment and let me know. And if you want to see more product reviews and how-tos, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Fuck, my nose won't stop running. So these are fun. How did that happen?